Guilty across the board for the truck driver who slammed into I-25 traffic, killing 5 people in Weld County. Jury came back with that verdict about 30 minutes ago. Our Kelly Rinke has been in that courtroom in Greeley. And Kelly, unlicensed driver with no insurance who tried to blame his bosses at the trucking company. Jury did not buy it.
No, the jury only took about 5 hours to deliberate for a trial that lasted 8 days. Jesus Puebla has been out of custody during this time since the crash almost 2 years ago. But today a judge revoked his bond and ordered him back into custody. So he was taken away by deputies shortly after those verdicts were read. His defense team has been blaming his trucking company. They said they gave him a vehicle that didn't have working brakes. Yet the jury found Jesus Puebla guilty on all 10 counts after his truck crashed into a car while he was driving 70 miles per hour. Prosecution said Puebla inspected the truck before getting on the highway. As each of the guilty verdicts were read, family of the 5 people killed became increasingly emotional. It's been almost 2 years since the crash, and after the verdict, family told me today they feel relieved. The courtroom was filled with loved ones of the victims and of Jesus Puebla. His sentencing is scheduled for sometime in June. Kyle.
And Kelly, anything in terms of consequences for that trucking company?
You know, Kyle, right now we don't know of any criminal charges that have been brought against the company. We don't know of that, but we do know that there is a federal lawsuit that has been filed by the family in which the family alleges that the trucking company tried to buy insurance for that truck just an hour after the crash, but those things take time. It is still going through the federal court process.
Kelly Rinke reporting from Greeley. Thank you, Kelly.